We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up Csgp stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action. Last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle working its way up from an area of a midpoint. Also, we have a pattern at the below. So we do have price action overall. Higher highs. Price action overall. Lower lows. Midpoint. Adding. Second level highs. And third level highs. Current price is sitting at 76.20. So let's zoom in and see what's going on. So if price action work its way up to the next level, it can head up to this area here, to price of 83.09. And if price work its way down, it can head down back to that previous area of support of 69.30. If it breaks that area of 69.30, it can head down to the area of 61.17. So as I said before, price action, a bullish green candle is actually engulfing the second last candle of the market, which is a doji slash press up to the top weak bearish red candle. There's a pattern at that low, so that market's going to push up. It's coming from that pattern, which will be identifying that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, and we can see how price entered that midpoint of that SR line. Second last candle retest, price action trying to push up out of it. So price is coming from a double bottom and a retest, and we have a bit of a push. And if market work is way down, it's coming from multiple pushes to that top of that high. So we have a first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, multiple retests, market pushing down from a double top and a retest or a triple top of that area. Also, where current price action is at, something's going on at that midpoint. It's trying to break that second level of that second last candle. So we're going to add a midpoint in that area. So as we walk down the time frame, we're going to see what price is really trying to do near the SR line. Or price action can consolidate within the price second and some of third last candle, work its way sideways for that consolidation. Headed down to the weekly time frame, price action on the weekly time frame is a bullish green candle, very small. Also is a gap in the market. Before that, second last candle, the market came back to retest, and we have that push up to the top with that huge gap. We can see the multiple pushes down to that bottom. Says draw it out first, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest overall 2, broke the SR line, retest, and market pushed up right to that midpoint of that area. So if market does break out, we'll see that breakout as we walk down the time frame for a break and look for that retest for the market to make up to the next SR line. If not, market's running to that area of resistance. We'll be identifying that first, second, third, and then we look for a pattern to identify itself. Pushes way down from a double top, and then we'll see if that market's going to break that SR line at previous price of 69.30, or that market can consolidate sideways. Walking down to the daily time frame, price action on the daily time frame is a bullish green candle, small candle, something like a doji. Got some of the wicks to the top, wicks to the bottom. That price action wick is tagging that area of resistance, so something's going on here. And while we walk down the time frame, we may identify a break and maybe identify a retest as well. We have to walk down the time frame to see what's really going on. Price action below that is coming from a pattern of a decline W, first, second, third, and we do have that fourth leg push up. There's a midpoint in this area here, so market, we didn't see a retest at that area, so market can be coming down with price action for that retest to work its way up, for the break, for market to work its way up to new levels. If not, market's tagging that area of resistance multiple times as that first, second, third came back for a retest. And if market identifies a pattern here, market's coming down from a double top and a retest, overall a triple top. And we also can receive consolidation near this SR line of price. So we'll see what's going on as we walk down the time frame. Walking down to the 4-hour time frame, price action on the 4-hour time frame is a doji. So there's a few patterns in this area. Price action is a doji, second last candle is a push, so it's coming from this W here with the push, so let's draw it out. Overall first, second, third, fourth retest. Market push once. Price action is a retest. If it's respected, we look for price to engulf the second last candle to break out. If not, market's running to that resistance, identifying a double top. All we have to receive is a pattern work its way down from the price action candle. Definitely the second last candle close out below that. Market's working its way down to at least the midpoint of price, which would be near 73.12. Walking down to a 3-hour time frame. Price action on a 3-hour time frame is a bullish green doji. Second last candle is a bearish red doji. Price action is engulfment of a big push. So altogether we got 3 pushes to that top. Market spiked up, came back to retest, is respected with the price action candle at this midpoint area. All we have to see is price action candle push up and engulf the second last candle and third last candle that's coming from a break and retest. Also, you got to be careful because market could be drawing out a pattern in this area for that consolidation until we fully get that breakout to the top side and bottom side. The price action work its way down. We want to see price action engulf the second last candle, definitely a third last candle, as I said before, on a 4-hour time frame to push that market down. Walking down to a 2-hour time frame, price action on a 2-hour time frame is a bullish green doji, second last candle, bullish green doji as well. Market's consolidated, still reading the same thing as a 3-hour time frame. Headed down to the 1-hour time frame, starting to receive that green and red coloring, so market's consolidating and create a pattern. We'll talk about it as we walk down the time frame. 45-minute time frame, price action spiked up, pushed down, pushed up, spiked down. So a pattern's being drawn out. If it's respected, we'll see a W formation in there. If not, market's coming down for multiple pushes to that top. Overall first, second, third, fourth, market be creating some type of double top in that area. Walking down to a 30-minute time frame, still reading the same thing. You can see markets bouncing up and down on that SR line until that market is fully broken out. If we do look for price to break and engulf to the next area, and let's say we do see that pattern, the market does push up, we're looking for a market to break above these resistance candles, which would be sitting at 76.91 if we receive a pattern in that area for the breakout of that SR line. Work its way to the 15-minute time frame. Zoom in. Same as well, we see that pattern forming. Price action, bearish red doji. Looking for that first, second, third. Looking for that price to break that SR line. Price action is a retest, so it came back one more time. If we receive a bullish green candle, it can push out the SR line. If not, market's working its way down for that double top. First, second, third. Market's coming down. Walking down to the 5-minute time frame, same as well. Market just consolidating, price action doji. 3-minute time frame, same as well. Price second, third, fourth, last candle, all in the same market. If you trade on a 3-minute time frame, you want to see a candle engulf the second last candle wick and the fourth to last candle bottom wick to really break out that area. If not, markets will be in consolidation unless you see a strong pattern at that low for that market to push up, or a strong pattern at that resistance for that market to come back down. 1-minute time frame, price action doji, long spike down to support, could be respected, but we still got an area of resistance as we read from the 3-minute time frame. Very important information, guys. Please study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. CSGP stock.